In this video, we will talk about reverse psychology, 13 lessons on how to use rejection to your favor, Marcus Aurelius Stoicism. So make sure to watch the full video. Embark on an enlightening journey into the depths of reverse psychology, a multifaceted concept with profound implications for human interaction and influence. In this exploration, we delve into its intricate layers. Interwoven with the timeless wisdom of Marcus Aurelius's Stoic philosophy, reverse psychology offers a rich tapestry of insights into human behavior and motivation, challenging conventional approaches, and unlocking new avenues for personal and professional growth. By understanding the art of leveraging rejection as a potent tool for achieving desired outcomes through strategic psychological maneuvers, we gain the power to navigate the complexities of interpersonal dynamics with finesse, insight, and a deep understanding of human cognition, emotion, and social influence. 1. Introduction to reverse psychology. Embark on a captivating exploration of reverse psychology, a multifaceted concept with profound implications for human interaction and influence. Delve into its intricate layers, interwoven with the timeless wisdom of Marcus Aurelius's Stoic philosophy, offering a rich tapestry of insights into human behavior and motivation. Discover the art of leveraging rejection as a powerful tool for achieving desired outcomes through strategic psychological maneuvers, navigating the complexities of interpersonal dynamics with finesse and insight. Uncover the transformative potential of reverse psychology in shaping perceptions, influencing decisions, and fostering positive outcomes. Challenging conventional approaches and unlocking new avenues for personal and professional growth. 2. Embracing rejection. Embrace rejection not merely as a setback, but as a transformative catalyst for personal growth, resilience, and self-discovery. Drawing inspiration from Stoic principles, perceive rejection as an opportunity for profound introspection and evolution, cultivating resilience and fortitude in the face of adversity. Learn to navigate rejection with grace and courage, extracting valuable lessons and insights to emerge stronger, wiser, and more resilient, poised to embrace new challenges and pursue your aspirations with renewed vigor and determination. 3. Cultivating Stoic mindset. Cultivate a Stoic mindset, a timeless philosophy that empowers you to navigate life's challenges with equanimity, wisdom, and resilience. Explore practical techniques inspired by Marcus Aurelius and other Stoic thinkers to cultivate inner tranquility, clarity of thought, and unwavering resilience in the face of adversity. Embrace a perspective that transcends fleeting emotions and external circumstances, enabling you to confront rejection with steadfast resolve, perspective, and an unwavering commitment to personal growth and excellence. 4. Harnessing emotional intelligence. Develop a profound understanding of emotional intelligence, the key to navigating interpersonal dynamics with grace and effectiveness. Master the art of empathizing with others' perspectives, allowing you to navigate rejection with empathy, insight, and emotional agility. Learn to leverage emotional intelligence to build rapport, influence decisions, and foster positive relationships, even in the face of rejection or adversity. Cultivate a deep understanding of human emotions and motivations, empowering you to navigate complex social interactions with authenticity, empathy, and strategic insight. 5. Strategic vulnerability. Embrace strategic vulnerability as a powerful tool for building trust, fostering connection, and enhancing influence. Discover how authenticity and openness can cultivate genuine rapport, deepen relationships, and amplify your capacity for persuasion and influence, even in the face of rejection or skepticism. Learn to navigate the delicate balance between vulnerability and strength, leveraging moments of authenticity to foster trust, inspire action, and create meaningful connections that transcend barriers and foster collaboration and mutual understanding. 6. Turning no into yes. Master the art of turning rejection into opportunity through strategic persuasion and subtle influence. Explore sophisticated strategies for reframing objections, overcoming resistance, and guiding others toward mutually beneficial outcomes, even in the face of initial rejection or skepticism. Learn to navigate complex social dynamics with finesse, empathy, and strategic insight, transforming moments of rejection into stepping stones toward achieving your goals and aspirations with integrity, authenticity, and unwavering determination. 7. Building authentic connections. Forge genuine and enduring connections by cultivating a culture of authenticity, transparency, and vulnerability in your personal and professional relationships. Learn to harness the transformative power of genuine connection to transcend barriers, foster trust, and navigate moments of rejection or uncertainty. With grace and resilience. Discover how authenticity can serve as a catalyst for building lasting relationships built on trust, mutual respect, and genuine rapport, fostering collaboration, innovation, and shared success in both your personal and professional endeavors. 8. Utilizing social proof. Harness the persuasive power of social proof to enhance your credibility, influence, and desirability in the eyes of others. Explore innovative strategies for showcasing your value and credibility through social validation, leveraging moments of rejection as opportunities to reinforce your perceived worth and desirability. Learn to strategically cultivate social proof to amplify your influence and achieve your desired outcomes with authenticity, integrity, and finesse. Leveraging the power of social dynamics to create positive perceptions and lasting impact in your personal and professional interactions. 9. Creating scarcity and demand. Master the art of creating strategic scarcity to heighten perceptions of value and desirability, sparking interest, generating intrigue, and motivating action. Learn to present opportunities as limited and exclusive, leveraging moments of scarcity to amplify demand and create a sense of urgency among your audience or stakeholders. Discover how strategic scarcity can drive engagement, foster excitement, and inspire action, even in the face of rejection or initial resistance, positioning you for success and opportunity in your personal and professional endeavors. 10. Fostering independence. Cultivate a culture of autonomy, self-reliance, and resilience by reframing rejection as a valuable opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Learn to inspire others to embrace challenges, cultivate resilience, and seize control of their destinies, fostering a culture of empowerment and initiative. Encourage individuals to embrace their unique strengths, values, and aspirations, empowering them to navigate life's challenges with confidence, resilience, and unwavering determination, even in the face of rejection or adversity. 11. Stoic resilience in the face of rejection. Cultivate stoic resilience, drawing inspiration from the timeless wisdom of Marcus Aurelius and other Stoic philosophers to rebound from rejection with unwavering grace, strength, and fortitude. Learn to navigate adversity with stoic resolve, inner peace, and a steadfast commitment to personal growth and excellence, allowing moments of rejection to serve as catalysts for profound transformation and evolution, rather than sources of discouragement or despair. 12. Turning criticism into opportunity. Transform moments of criticism and rejection into invaluable opportunities for growth and self-improvement. Learn to extract actionable insights from feedback, leveraging constructive criticism to refine your skills, strategies, and approaches, thereby propelling yourself toward greater success and fulfillment. Embrace feedback as a valuable tool for personal and professional development, recognizing its power to catalyze growth, innovation, and continuous improvement in your personal and professional endeavors. 13. Embracing the journey. Embrace rejection as an inevitable and integral part of the journey toward personal and professional fulfillment. Cultivate a stoic perspective that honors the inherent challenges, setbacks, and adversities encountered along the path to success, recognizing rejection not as a barrier, but as a potent catalyst for growth, resilience, and ultimately, triumph. Embrace the journey with courage, resilience, and unwavering determination, allowing moments of rejection to fuel your passion, perseverance, and pursuit of excellence as you forge your path to success and fulfillment. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.